There are so many reasons why Northern Westchester Hospital is the perfect place to do training.
Our medicine program is what I've been dreaming of for the last 15 years to try to build. I'm Gary Stallings. I am the program director for the residency program at Northern Westchester Hospital and director of medical education here.
I'm very excited to be launching the first medicine program here at Northern Westchester Hospital.
One reason for being here at Northern Westchester is the hospital itself is extremely well functioning. The culture here is very warm and inviting.
The moment I walked into the lobby, I felt the culture, I felt the people, I felt the community, I felt a supportive environment.
It's a gorgeous campus. The patients love the hospital. Because it is on the smaller scale of hospitals, it's also very, very personal. So it's a very family-oriented, close-knit type of group.
To have a high-quality hospital that has such a great environment to be in, to me as an educator, is a perfect place to build a program and have residents come through and learn to be physicians where they can do it in a safe, comforting place that also delivers high-quality care. It's structured around the residents getting a good education in an environment where they're not going to be the workhorses for everything that needs to get done. The hospital has every aspect of care covered, so we get to layer education on top of that.
We have a protected time that's a half day for teaching, and we allow the residents to sort of forget what they're doing on the floors and to really focus on their education.
We can arrange rotations that allow the residents to be fully engaged in it and give them 4 consecutive weeks on medicine, not small chunks of time, so they can really get used to the rotation and learn well from it.
We also have extensive point of care ultrasound teaching, which is the future of medicine.
You're going to see your bread and butter, and you're also going to see the cases that provide interest and provide the opportunity to have research. We're very lucky to be part of the Northwell system.
You can easily do research across institutions, so it's not just here. Despite our smaller footprint, we have access to all the hospitals in the network to do collaborative research.
We have the Feinstein Institute, which is a large research institute of the highest caliber that any resident can get involved in any research opportunity, which they can then bring here to Northern Westchester Hospital.
Here within the Northwell system, and especially at Northern Westchester Hospital, we have a strong focus on mentorship, making sure that residents feel like they have that extra guide to help them through the challenges of residency training, and they have a guide to help them transition to being a physician who's fully independent in a few years. In addition, we are keeping up with the different aspects of what medical care needs to be in the 21st century. How to work with LGBTQ health, how to incorporate diversity and inclusion. So for us, it's very important to make sure that this type of training program is fully comprehensive.
Being able to do that difficult job of being a physician and staying well, taking care of yourself, taking care of your loved ones, and having that balance between the two is important.
Northern Westchester Hospital is situated in the heart of Westchester, and just walking distance from the hospital, there's restaurants, bars, shopping. There's a train that goes directly to Manhattan, and outside of that, there's close hiking, mountain biking, cycling. So there's a lot to do around Westchester, and it's a really amazing place to live.
You really couldn't ask for the best of both worlds better than what Westchester has to offer.
My goal is at the end of the 3 years of training here, the residents will be able to not just deliver excellent cutting-edge care with outstanding knowledge, but they'll also be able to be well-rounded as a person. The energy they give back is probably the best part. Seeing them engage with material and finding new ways that I never thought of to understand it and talk about it, and watching them work together is wonderful.